Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Chase mobile app. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.